What are we doing? Today is July 25th. If you had a birthday last week or over the weekend, happy birthday. I saw we had a few Topcoder members whose birthday it was. So hope you guys had a great weekend. So let's talk about tomorrow. Oh, you're in India. Welcome from India. Tomorrow we have a webinar going on that I'm really excited about. So I'm going to share the link for it in the chat. So this event is going to be talking about what is our privacy policy? What is our NDA? What is our code of conduct? What are these things that are really important for our Topcoder members that you all need to be aware of? That is full of a bunch of legalese and terms that probably most of us don't understand when we read them, especially if English is not your first language. So our goal for this is to really help you understand what these things are and why they're so important. So I highly recommend that you guys join this meeting. This is being run with Penna and some other members. So I'm looking forward to tuning into this tomorrow. Be sure to register. What else is going on? So we have our first TCR Regional Meetup in Nigeria, you guys. I'm really excited. This is the first ever event in this entire continent in person. And so we have our two amazing members here, Robinson and Abby, who are going to be hosting this event for us. This is open to everybody virtually, as well as those who earned a ticket in person. So if you want to just jump in and check out our first ever event, please check it out. Who's excited about this event? I'm super excited about this event. All right, you guys, I can hear your excitement through the screen. Yay.
Yay.
Fun fact, you know who he is? Not some of you that know him, obviously. It's cheating. He's definitely our first ever TCO champion from the region. Akinwale.
Akinwale?
Akinwale, yep.
Oh.
Yep. So he will be there. He'll be at the event. So excited to have him there representing TCO champions. All right, what else is going on? Oh, we have a skill builder challenge. All right, who's done the skill builder competition? Because this has been running for the last few weeks. So this skill builder is about cybersecurity learning. So our Topcoder skill builder competitions, if you don't know what they are essentially the ability to work on some new skills to upskill. We have 3 problems. There's an easy, medium, and hard. There's prizes, and this month is geared all on cybersecurity. So I want to make sure everybody's taking part in these challenges because they're fun and they're educational. Any questions on this one? Anyone has taken this and anyone finish all 3 problems yet? No, yeah, no. All right, well, let me know what you guys think of it. Please do compete. And plus these phone calls are much more fun when everyone else talks other than just me. So feel free to chime in anytime. All right, what else is going on? We've got our hydropower operations challenge. Oh, is somebody here that wants to talk through this one? I don't see Kelly on today. Anyone else want to chat through this one that knows it? Super fun team competition. Here's the competition itself. All right, so this is a data science match, and this is for part 2. We did one already. The goal of this event, actually, there's a whole thing here. You can even look at the mini site we actually created with more information about it. It's a little different because we need to make sure that the winner is a US citizen. So you're also welcome to have a team. So if you're not a US citizen, but you know somebody in the US who wants to be in your team, you can compete. But it's to work on renewable energy. So please do check out this really, really great competition. If you're interested, there's going to be a few more of these as well. So we're only on phase, I think we're on phase 2 right now, right? So there's another one coming up. So really great prizes and a great opportunity to network. So if you register for the challenge, then you go into the competition forums, you can most likely find a team if you want to join a team. Any questions on this one, guys? Great opportunity for doing something cool. All right. We have our Figma course still going on, which I'm excited about. I don't know how many of you guys have done the Figma course, but it's been really well received. Everyone's really enjoying learning Figma. If you are doing Topcoder design in any way, shape, or form, you're going to want to learn Figma because that's what our entire UX and design team is using. So please do take the course. You'll get a certificate from Topcoder, and you get to listen to Yoki and Luis for a few hours. Lots of fun. Lots of learning. Any questions on our Figma course? Because we have Luis here, so feel free to kill him with hard questions.
Yeah, this is your chance to embarrass me live. Go there, go ahead, ask.
Embarrass him. Oh, they're too nice. They're too nice, Luis. All right, we have an SRM coming up this week, and we have our RDM this week. So SRM stands for single round match, which is an algorithm competition that is going to be Tuesday night, Tuesday morning, or Wednesday morning, wherever you live. Tuesday, 9 o'clock Eastern. And then we have an RDM on Friday, which is a rapid development match, which we're really excited about. Penna and his team are working hard on that one. Now, just so you know, this is a really great opportunity to be engaged with Topcoder and just do some for fun competitions. But the cool part of this is RDM 8 has prizes associated with it. And fun fact, spoiler alert, the SRM will also have prizes associated with it. So
Ooh.
surprise. There'll be some cash prizes for the SRM that's happening tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. If you don't know where to go for these things, I'll give you the information. If you're on our competition, our compete page, all challenges, the RDM will show up on here. So it'll show up here on Friday. Okay, so that's where you'll find the RDM. And then when you're looking for the SRM, the best place to start is here, competitive programming. And you can click on here to choose which arena you want to use. You can use our web arena, or you can use our vintage applet. So you can download the applet, and I am capable of downloading the vintage applet and using it. So if I can do it, anybody can do it, because I'm the least technical person on this call. So it's a little tricky, but it's well worth it because it is, as I said, one of a kind vintage. So if you want to participate, you can check out the SRM tomorrow. Okay, any questions on that? Okay. We have a tech talk happening. Oh, and since we have Robinson and Abby here, you guys want to talk a little bit about what this is? Robinson or Abby, you guys want to go over your tech talk that's happening this week?
Yes, it is going to happen on Saturday, 4 p.m. GMT +1 Nigerian time. It is we'll be talking about remote jobs or around data science and everything around that that revolves around data science, from the basics to the advanced stage. So feel free to join as we talk more and share the experiences around Topcoder platform.
Awesome, thank you. Yeah, these guys have been doing these tech talks every weekend, which has been really fun. And I know a lot of members are enjoying listening to. So feel free to jump in. If there are topics you'd like us to consider, let us know. If you are big in Twitter and you want to host a Twitter Spaces Tech Talk, you are more than welcome to. Please just connect with myself or my team, and we'll get you in scheduled. But it's really great for you guys to share your amazing intelligence with everybody. So thank you, Abby and Robinson. All right, any questions? Oh, we've got a hangout, Luis. You want to talk about this? What's going on Friday?
Oh yeah, guys, this is a great opportunity for us to hang out. We typically do this every last Friday of every month. We meet Topcoder members, staff, and we hang out. We just chill for 1 hour. We play games. There are prizes. We talk. It's a kind of a different moment rather than working. So you can get the chance to meet your coworkers, bosses, teammates. and I have some fun. So this Friday we are meeting again, and we hope you can make it.
Yes, thank you, Luis. It'll be a lot of fun. I will not be able to join this hangout, so that means you guys, it's up for grabs for you to win because I won't be able to win.
It's good to know that.
I do love joining these though. I'll be sad to miss it. All right, thank you, Luis. Oh, you have a new game, Danielle? Oh man, I'm gonna have to change my plans. I'm gonna tell the beach to wait.
Yeah, it's a fun cards game.
Ooh, fun. Okay, well, we'll see what I can do schedule-wise. All right, let's go over our gigs. So every week we always highlight our top freelance gigs of the week. If you're newer to Topcoder, our freelance gigs are the opportunity for you to work directly with a customer of ours for on a project of theirs for a certain amount of time. And so we like to highlight what's happening this week. So this one is for a full stack engineer. And you'll see on this, you'll see that this was for USA only. You'll see the competition. This is for 8 weeks long. And then there's also the opportunity to get a referral. So if you know somebody in the US who's a full stack engineer, you can share that link. Note you have to be logged in, and then you can get money if they win the gig, if they get the gig. Make sure your required skills are listed on your resume if you want to pass the first step. The next one we're highlighting is an infrastructure automation engineer, Python. This is for India only, so do check this one out. Share with a friend if you know any Python devs. This one is a UI developer, also for India only. And please note the technologies that are required. And again, share with a friend if you know anybody. Some more India only, Python QA engineer. So if you have Python skills, we're looking for a QA engineer for a customer of ours. And finally, we have a technical lead in India only. Usually our gigs are mostly all locations, so I'm sorry that some of these are specific this week. But as always, if you go to compete and to gig work, you can see the whole list of gigs, and most of them are any location. This one just came up to this week as well. It's not featured, but I'm going to share it anyway. There's a technical writer gig we have. I know a lot of our members are really excited about writing articles for our Thrive Educational Center. So if you are good at technical writing, this could be a really great gig for you. And it's only 4 weeks long, pretty good payment there. So if you are a technical writer or know somebody who is, please do share that gig. Okay, any questions on gig work this week? Okay, and this is just a quick look at our calendar coming up. It's August almost. Next Monday will be August 1st. Oh my gosh, craziness. So we'll have a whole new list of SRMs and stuff for you. Time flies. The first week of August, we have our regional events happening for Topcoder Open. If you have any questions about that, we can talk through that. But that's all the content I have for you today. I would recommend that if you do have questions or concerns or whatever, check out Discord, because Discord has all that information available for you at any time. We have great members in there who are helpful answering questions, as well as lots of chit chat and whatnot. So if you're not on Discord, I highly recommend it. I will get the Discord link for you here and share in the link in the chat. Any questions? Anything else anyone wants to share today? Any questions, any thoughts? Did I miss anything? Who's got something fun going on? Anybody have anything cool going on at Topcoder they want to promote today? No. Okay, super quiet crowd today. My homework for everybody next week is to come to me with questions, please. Okay. Yeah. So let's get some good questions, or you can just give some feedback of what you'd like to hear on these calls. If there's something more you're interested in, something more you want to learn about, or how we can help you, let me know.
How did our memes challenge come out?
Oh, I just went through the submissions today, and the test of those is if I laughed really hard, then it was a winner. And there was 2 of them that I definitely really laughed hard. I think I woke up my children this morning laughing because there's 2 of them that were pretty funny. So for those of you who are not in the know, we did a meme challenge for the NASA images that came from the Webb telescopes. We did a meme challenge. So I'm looking forward to sharing some of those on Discord this week once we finalize the winners. But that was fun. All right. Well, thank you guys. Have a great rest of your week. I look forward to talking to you next week, and come, as I said, come with questions. We want to make sure we're all chatting and you're not just listening to me drone on, blah, 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 blah. I'm so boring. All right. Thank you guys. Have a great rest of your week. We'll talk soon.
Thanks,
Thank
Jesse.
you, you
All right,
too.
thank you, Jesse.
Bye.
Bye-bye.